Good afternoon, everybody. Sorry, I don't know why YouTube... Dude, it took like 40 seconds for YouTube for the live stream to open up there. Glad all you guys are in here right now. We have... Boom! Mr. Brian first in the chat. What's going on, Mr. Brian? Lemon Lust, Old Rounder, Lemon Lust. We got Troy. How you doing, Troy? New phone number 4, 50 Johan. We got Dark Bro, Mr. Brian, Dark Bro, Tim. What's going on, Tim? Dark Bro. We got new phone, Old Rounder, Lemon Lust, Dark Bro, Tim, Johan, and Tim. Boom, baby. Loving all you guys in here right now. Let's check the market out because you notice that little graph in the bottom left-hand side of the screen there. Bitcoin is rolling higher right now. Looking very good, man. We got AMC finishing today at $4.24.5. I don't know if it's going to close at $4.24 or $4.25, but the close right there on Weibo, $4.24.5. Shiba Inu coin, $7.68 in the top right-hand side, moving his way back up into positive territory. We've got GameStop sitting at $23.53, up 3.5% of the day today. Bitcoin, story of the hour, man. Strength all day today. After trading sideways basically throughout the entire morning live stream, we have had nothing but gains all afternoon. Looking very good. Going from 30,267, currently sitting at 30,981. The question on everybody's mind should be, is this another attempt at a $31,000 break? Or is it going to get rejected off, wick back down again, and come back into this range right here? If we're able to break, we're going to be in very, very good territory. Right now, I don't want to get ahead of myself, but it is a very nice look, at least at the moment. NASDAQ, somehow turning around today, finishing higher after some nice afternoon gains. It was down about 0.40% or something like that earlier today, bouncing back nice throughout the afternoon and finishing 0.18% higher on the day today. 424 on AMC, 2354 on GameStop. Dogecoin sitting at 6.6 cents. Ethereum sitting at 1903. We've got nice gains in the crypto space today. Shiba going up all afternoon. We've got Bitcoin going up all afternoon. Looking good. We're going to touch that 31,000. The question is, can I hold my breath until Bitcoin hits 31,000? Let's see. Boom! Got it! Yes! Oh, all right, hold on. I can breathe now. Did not expect it to take that long. I thought it was going to be a little less. Nice. Muted, you can't hear me. That's because I wasn't breathing, man. Boom, boom, boom. Got him. Nufo, Bitcoin to Pluto. Ahoo! We got Bitcoin to Pluto. Ahoo! Bitcoin to Pluto. Ahoo! Nufo, absolutely. Thank you very much for the member chat. 11 months of bro. Absolutely loving it, Nufo. Bitcoin is on its way to Pluto right now, man. 8-ball, does Bitcoin make the... Ooh, that is a good question for the 8-ball. 8-ball, we want to know, does Bitcoin break out to the upside on this run? Well, the outlook is good. The outlook is good, Tim. I don't know if that's a definite yes or no, but the outlook is good. And it is rolling right now. Binance US still reads 27,900. Dark bro, go buy some, man. Try to move it over to Coinbase. See if you can do something with it. Congrats, Nufo. Heck yeah. Bitcoin bull cross on the 6-hour MACD at 2 p.m. I tried not to get excited right away, but this looks amazing right now. Old rounder. It really does look good right now. It looks strong. I'm going to say that. It does look like a very strong afternoon, okay? No real pullbacks. And you know, you want to know what else looks pretty good? Riot and Mara, okay? Riot and Mara look very good right now. 2023 has been a blessing to Riot and Mara, going from $3 to $16.90. After hours, Riot is sitting at $17 a share. Insane. You want to look at Mara. Both of these are blockchain companies. They are man, what the heck did I just do? I don't know. There we go. Both of these are blockchain companies that they mine Bitcoin. Mara or Mara, however you guys want to say it, sitting at 1710 after hours. The gains are phenomenal. Another blessing from $3 to $17. Riot and Mara moving hand in hand, looking very good, and astronomical price gains over the last, I don't know what this is, 2, 3, 4 weeks right here since 3 weeks. June 15th, man, rolling from $9 to $17. Mining, cryptocurrency mining companies looking phenomenal. Bitcoin looking very strong right now. Things are looking good, guys. Freaking made it late because I'm doing my DD, due diligence, maybe, deep dive. Kid in my contact said Angel is legit. Ready to make a play for Zipline. Boom! I like it. Chris, man, make it happen if you want, dude. Go in there, $50 if you guys wanted. If you wanted to throw $50 in, if you got more, you can do more. But hey, man, if you're gonna be getting in, I like it, man. Half tempted to try with the whole $50 I have. Not to like it's gonna make it. You know what? Even if it doesn't, right? Even if you go in there and you get hit with transaction fees or something for pulling it off of Binance, you're still going to have Bitcoin. You know what I mean? Like, you'll still have the Bitcoin that you could technically sell if you wanted. I don't think you're going to get ripped unless you get ripped in transaction fees. So as long as you confirm that you don't have, like, huge transaction fees before you give it a shot there, I mean, you're still buying $50 worth of Bitcoin, so you'll still have $50 worth of Bitcoin. But it is up to you, man. Don't do anything because you think it's cool or do you think I just want to know the answer to it. Not like it's gonna make a difference. Yeah. Indubitably. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Indubitably. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate you, and I like that name too. Indubitably. New folk coming with one is. I don't know why I got to get up on the chair like this, but it makes me feel like more of a cat. Thank you very much, new phone, for the little kitty. Indubitably, thank you very much for the fist bumps. You guys are loving it today. Later, old rounder. Enjoy the food. See you guys. I need to go eat. Old rounder, man. Absolutely. Enjoy your lunch. Enjoy your dinner. Whatever you got going on right now. Enjoy it, man. And I hope that Bitcoin rips for you. Clay, what's your thoughts on Casper? CSPR. Tony, that's a coin, right? I don't think that is. Oh, okay, Casper is. I thought it was a coin. I did not think that it was the mattress company, but it is the mattress company. Let's see here. This is a very choppy graph. Okay, one thing that I don't like about where we are right now. In this, actually, I don't know what this is, but this could indicate that they're getting bought out. So I do want to go through and look at the news really quick. But to me, this looks like somebody may have come in and decided to buy them out. And that's why you see the gap up and then sideways trade. People may have been concerned that the deal was going to fall through, but then something brought their confidence back up. I could be completely wrong on this, but just looking at the chart, that's kind of what I'm gauging from the chart here. So let's go take a look at that. I don't like the fact that they are so choppy and there's no like trend. There's no trend growth right here. It was a gap up and then, kind of getting stuck in this massive level of resistance that it's had over the last couple of years. So let's see if we got some news to see if they may be getting bought out here. Alright, Webull is obviously not pulling up news. So, let's try one more time. Yeah, Webull's not pulling up news. So, really quick, let's go check out and see what we got. Alright, CSPR. Okay, so this is interesting to me. it looks like acquisition talks date all the way back to 2021. And then the acquisition price was $6.90. So, oh, dude, look, they're not even trading. Look, I didn't even look at the graph down. I didn't even look at the date down there, man. It's 2022 is the last trade. So maybe you are talking about a coin. Casper was acquired. It's a token. It is a token, man. Good news is I was right on the acquisition. The good news is I was right on that acquisition chart. Turk Bro, I don't know why it's talked about like a startup. It's been going around for 6 years. Actually, anything that's not public would be considered a startup, man. That's the way they think about it. Small Clay, yes, Mr. Brian, we went back to Small Clay, absolutely. Chris, what did I miss? Nothing, man. Steaks on the grill. I like it, Kenneth. Kronos undervalued. Southpaw Slinger, Kronos undervalued during a bull market. Yes, Kronos undervalued right now. I'm just going to say no, man. I'm going to be honest. Even though it's just got like $1 billion valuation or whatever it is, it's not that high. I'm going to say no. It's not undervalued because right now I can't put a value on the uncertainty of the cryptocurrency exchanges. So I'm going to be a little bit more conservative and say it's not even undervalued right now because I don't know what tomorrow brings for these crypto exchanges. I do think that Gary Gensler would not mind getting rid of Crypto.com, getting rid of Binance, getting rid of Coinbase, and only having EDX. So please bear that in mind. I don't think it's undervalued, but I do think it's drastically undervalued if we get a returning bull market here and many, many new users sign up for cryptocurrency exchanges. So CSPR is a token. It is also Casper. What do you know, man? CSPR is loving the Casper right now. Casper is sitting at almost 4 cents, a $424 million market cap. This is a very large coin. I don't know what percentage of the supply is circulating. Okay? I don't know that. I'm very skeptical that these guys, May of 2021. So what we got going on here, even though this price was drastically higher in May of 2021 here, the market cap tells the story. They have been diluting relentlessly because the market cap continues to gain value. The price was way up there, and the market cap was only $57 million. Market cap's only at $57 million in this area. Since then, they have drastically diluted this coin to the point where the market cap is nearly 5 times as high, or 10 times as high, nearly 10 times as high, but the coin's price is all the way down to 4 cents. So I don't like that. But if they're done diluting, I don't know what the percentage of the outstanding coins. Total supply 11.8 billion, circulating supply 11.1 billion. So they could go in there, and it does seem like they could add another, 5%, 6% to the total circulating supply, which shouldn't really drop this price much. But it's good to see that they have continued to grow as a project. The market cap is solid. The market cap is steady. I would just either wait for them to distribute the rest of those coins or know that you could get diluted by another 5 or 10%, which doesn't seem that bad to me. New foe! You guys know what time it is. It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. Yes, Nuvo. Anybody else hard like a diamond out there? Oh, yes. I know everybody else is hard like a diamond out there. Nuvo, man, thank you very much for that super chat. Sorry. You guys definitely all hard like a diamond. I know it. Turk Bro might have messed up. The way Clay read the comments, I thought you were adding to my comment. Oh, yeah. No, I was talking about Bitcoin. Yeah. My bad, dude. You might have messed up. I might have messed up if I read it incorrectly. Clear Bro, Casper is a crypto. Dark Bro, that it is, man. Casper was a mattress, but it was acquired. I have a bag of Casper. There you go. Nice, Mr. Brian. Trump will rescue the crypto market. Hey, I hope he does. Okay, I hope that somebody comes in and restores confidence in the market. I really do, man. I really do. I think that there's a lot of consumer sentiment that is down the drain right now. And even the idea that somebody could come in and turn things around is probably going to be prosperous, honestly, for both sides of the fence. Whether you guys vote for the D, whether you guys vote for the R, I'm sure you guys are going to be very happy in knowing that somebody can come in and turn things around, regardless of the side. We want prosperity. Watch BKKT at the most underrated crypto stock out there. It's due for a massive run-up, as it would be a part of the Bitcoin ETF, owned and run by the New York Stock Exchange, and they have Fed now listed. Ape love Ape. Let's check out BKKT, see where it's at the moment. All right, what do we got here? $1.62. You know what? This is very interesting, okay? BKKT has had a very good day over the today it had a very good day. And it had a very good day yesterday, Friday, last trading day. Breaking out today above the $1.50 mark, gaining 15%. Now, why do I say that this is interesting? Because this is a different story than what we're seeing in other cryptocurrency miners and other blockchain stocks. Like we just had up. This is the beginning of 2023 here, okay? In 2023 started off phenomenally, but where are we? We're still heavily pressured to the downside in BKKT. If you're looking at other miners, if you're looking at other blockchain stocks, this year has been phenomenal for Marathon Digital, and where's Riot? This year has been phenomenal for Riot, not being pressured to the downside, but instead being pressured to the upside. Very difficult for losses to take place, even though it broke out and it was touching some recent highs. There was only a minor pullback this morning for about 15 minutes. There was about 3 red candles on the I was watching it this morning. Yeah, look at this. 3 red candles. 4 if you count this one here. So these are transition candles too. So I don't know how much you want to count these two. But 3-4 red candles in a row. Arrest man gains all day in Riot. So, yes, it was up 9% today. BKKT did have a very good day today as Bitcoin is potentially breaking out and hopefully moving higher now. But I don't like this daily graph. I really don't like this daily graph. You might be able to see another 10% gain getting stuck in this $1.75 resistance area. And then you got another one apparently, because I did not put these lines on the chart today. You got another level of resistance around 210. But I don't like the fact that it has been pressured to the downside, even though the rest of the crypto market and the rest of the crypto stocks have had a phenomenal year so far in 2023. That's my only hang up on BKKT there. Let's see. Can you make a video about Pepe and Pepe 2.0? Let us know if both coins are created by the same people, please. Love it. Yeah, I probably could do a video on that, like just an update video on Pepe here pretty soon and include Pepe 2.0 into it. I actually do not know if they're by the same creators. I would be doubtful that they're by the same creators. I've never looked into that, but I can't do it today. I'm not going to be able to do it today. And I do want to tell everybody I'm not going to be here tomorrow for the live streams. Wednesday might be a different story, so not going to be live tomorrow. Going to the water park again. Yeah. Going to the water park again tomorrow. And going to have fun with my niece and nephew. And then everything should resume on Wednesday, depending on when we get back. So just wanted to put that out there. In case you guys are looking for the live stream tomorrow, spread the word that I will not be here tomorrow, Tuesday, July 11th. Can it like today or just soon? Soon, man. Everything is always soon. About to send the coin to the contract. Soon, man. Everything is soon. BKKT gonna make a comeback. Ronald, I mean, listen, it could. I don't know anything. I don't follow BKKT, so I don't know about shorts. We could look at reported shorts if you want. But as far as what they got going on, their profitability and all that stuff, man, I actually have no idea. So let's see if we could find BKKT short interest. I don't know why Finra or Fintel does not have a better breakdown of the shorts on BKKT. It's just showing me short volume. It's just showing me short volume. I don't know. I don't know the total short interest on BKKT. New fall! Thank you for the rainbow! A new fall, man. Thank you for the rainbow! A new fall, man. Thank you for the rainbow! New fall, thank you very much for the rainbow! I mean rainbow, not rainbow. What am I thinking out there? What? Is it a rainbow or a rainbow? Now I don't even know. New fall. Thank you for the rainbow. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate all the super chats from you guys. Once it hits $50 million market cap, I know I missed something. I have someone help me understand how to work this, work the burn. I was going to NG to start it, but I think once it hits 50 million, then turn it on. I like it. Hey, anybody heard about Mercedes adapting to the Tesla Charger standard? I have not heard Mercedes doing it. I have heard of other car companies doing it, but I have not heard Mercedes doing it. When will the socks be popped, brother? This dude's gonna ask me to wiggle my piggies with the ape father. Tell wrestlers. Ape father said he's waiting for you on the Jersey Shore. Leonard, I am currently wearing socks, man. I cannot lie. I currently have socks on. I don't know when they're gonna be popped. I don't know when I'm gonna be joining the ape father on the Jersey Shore. It does. Listen, I think that the A-Father is a good guy. I think it would be fun. There's no way I could eat nearly as much as the A-Father. I feel like I eat like once a day. The A-Father would definitely out-eat me. I don't even think that I'd be able to go to as many restaurants as he goes to. But I think it would be fun to spend a little time with the A-Father, man. That dude's crazy, and he's having a good time. Hey, bro! Comment up top after new full bang, bang, bang. Thank you, brother, for everything. Absolutely PS5 after new full. Hey, bro, 100x Bitcoin. And Ethereum will only $100 from 30,000. Oh my gosh, what is this number? Is that 30,100 or is that 301,000? What do we got? Thank you for all your amazing analysis on the time frames that you explained days ago. PS5, say that again. I missed something in that comment, man. $100x Bitcoin and Ethereum with only $100 from 30,100. Say that again. PS5, you're not saying that you took $100 to $30,000, are you? Did you make $30,000 with $100, or am I missing? Like, is that completely misunderstanding the comment there? I don't want to misunderstand it, but dude, if you made 30 grand on $100, 100x leveraging your Bitcoin and Ethereum trades, killed it, man, killed it. Been trying to buy stuff, a little utility, maybe for some upside. Bone, XRP, Cardano, Stellar Lumens, Filecoin, HBAR, Crow Tectonic, VVA. We've got Miota, Casper, VRA, and you know what, Tony? I don't know what a couple of those coins are. I like Veracity. Veracity is always one that seems to be in the spotlight. Like I said, I don't know what Casper's got going on. Don't know what Miota's got going on. VVA or VVS. Might have been VVS. Very, very simple finance. What I do like about that is that you're diversified. I don't know if you've got $100, $20, $10 in each of those coins, but I do like that each of those is most likely, because those are all well-known coins, each of those is most likely to do well in a bull market. Now, you might go out there and see that XRP only 3X's. while Veracity goes up 20x. And if that's the case, you're going to say, dang, I wish I would have invested more in Veracity and I wouldn't have put my money into Casper because Veracity far outweighed the gains that Casper had. You gave yourself the chance in Casper, though. Don't let the bias, the confirmation bias, or the 2020 hindsight ruin the fact that you were diversified in that portfolio. I like it, and I think you did good on it, man. Got $1,000 for Brocoin. Let's get started. New folk, thank you. New folk killing it with the super chats today. New folk, he's got the unicorn. Look at this little tiny horn, man. My beard is almost as large as this horn right here. Thank you very much, Nufo, for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it, man. I love it right now. You are awesome, dude. Killing it with the super chats today. Did Mullen do a split at some point? I see it was up to $400 at one point. Yes. I think it was only like 2 months ago, man. I think it was only 2 months ago. Mullen Auto split 1 for 25. May 4th, 1 for 25 reverse split. So, dude, since May 4th, they were trading, were they like 6 cents or something? I forget what Mullen was at. And then they may have made it to like $2 right after that split. It may have had $2 price action pre-market or something. I thought it was right around that $2 mark. But anyway, going up to about $1.50 after the split. And now they're all the way back down to 19 cents. So in a 2-month period, they have lost a lot of money here. But yeah, they did split 2 months ago on May 4th. In case you were worried about Mullen Auto. And this $400 price point that you see, not here. Okay. So pre-split, Mullen was trading at about 15 bucks in this area. This was about $15 a share. From there, Mullen Auto dropped down to 53 cents. It was like nothing but declines for, I don't know how many months, man. 3, 4, 5 months. They dropped down to like 53 cents. Everybody that was interested in AMC started talking about them, and they ripped from 50 cents to like $4.50 or something. It was above $4. And then from there, they began to consolidate, and then they began to decline, and then the rest is history, man. And you can't even see it because these lines are so low. But they went from that, gosh, dude, what is this price point in here? $107 mark at the beginning of 2022 to where they are today, 10 cents to 20 cents per share. So yeah, Mullen did split. I guess it was 2 months ago. On May 4th. Bitcoin's still looking good in the bottom left right there. Got a blast. See y'all. Yes, Nufo, man. Enjoy your day. Thank you very much for hanging out with us, man. Thank you for the super chats. And like I say, I'm not going to be live tomorrow, but should be back. Should be back in the afternoon stream. Might be back in the morning stream on Wednesday, depending what time we get home there. But appreciate you being in here, man. And thank you very much for the super chats. Hey, bro, what's your thoughts about the bro coin? Because it sounds like something I'm interested in. Let's get started. So, Mr. Brian, yeah, if Kenneth does, or if anybody else wants to create a bro coin, clearly you guys can create a bro coin. Nothing is, nothing's like trademarked or anything with a bro. Everybody can be a bro if they want to be a bro. But here's the thing, okay? I don't know if I will officially, endorse a bro coin. I can absolutely talk about it. But, and this doesn't, sound bad. But if it's not me creating it, and I don't know every little aspect of it, I don't know if I could stake my reputation on a coin. And I'm not saying that I've got the best reputation out there or anything like that, but I don't know if I will be able to say, go buy Brocoin. Doesn't mean I can't buy some myself. I got Shiba Inu coin, got some Bitcoin, got everything on the screen right now except for GameStop. And I do buy these coins. But as far as me, trying to pump it, trying to promote it, it does to me make a huge difference if it's something that I've created or if it's something that I'm endorsing and not knowing all of the intricacies of it and that aspect. So absolutely, dude. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and let you guys make money on a bro coin, and I'm gonna sit here and miss out on making money on a bro coin. We can try and make it into something. I just can't, claim ownership if I'm not actually the guy that created it out there. But dude, that doesn't mean that we can't go out there and make a ton of money on it. Let's see. It's about 2 months ago. Kenneth is right on that one. And the audience said, get a room. I believe in what Ken Rowe is doing. I've been watching Ken. He's a man with special skills. There you go. Claybro, thank you. Basically $200 with 100% gains. So we chillin'. Okay, good. Hoping it goes higher in Bitcoin consolidating, though, or not. Last time, 31,000. Yes, you are correct. So that's what I was saying at the beginning of the live stream, PS5. I don't know if Bitcoin is going to be able to break out. This move does look very solid today. It does look like a very strong afternoon. Okay, I mean, it looks phenomenal, going from 30,200, testing 31,000 again. But I don't know, on a daily chart, you can see it a little bit better. I don't know if this is finally getting ready and strengthening into a breakout, or if we're simply coming up to once again retest this $31,000 mark, and then, of course, turning back around and coming back down into our channel. That's the question that I unfortunately cannot answer. I wish I could, but I don't know what tomorrow brings. All I know is where we've been stuck for the last, 3 weeks here. Since June 20th, we've been stuck in this range, and we're either going to continue being stuck or obviously break out of the upside now. So that's the only concern I got about Bitcoin right now. If you're making money, dude, 100% gains are phenomenal. No morning stream tomorrow, Clay, bro. Correct. No morning stream tomorrow. No afternoon stream tomorrow. But Wednesday is tentative. All depends on what time I get back home. What is your take on WSM token? Let's check out WSM token. I don't know if I know what WSM is, right? WSM, is this a brand new one? Just make sure before I go on a huge tangent here that I'm looking at the right thing, Robert. WSM seems to be Wall Street Megalodon. Okay. Wall Street Megalodon. Could be brand spanking new. This is an hourly chart, so it doesn't have much in terms of, it's got no volume, right? No volume, and going from, gosh, dude, that's got to be $248 worth, right? That's got to be $247 worth. Doubling in price on $247. That's insane. It is currently up 128% on the day today. Total liquidity is only $1,000. Yeah, volume $297. So this one trade right here is like a $200 trade. Double the price of this coin. Just be very skeptical. Okay? I don't know. Alright, here's what we got. It's been out for a little while now. If this is the right coin, like I said, I don't know if I'm looking at the right one. It's been out for a little while now. It does seem as though we are losing steam in it. Because if this coin's been out for a couple weeks and we're only doing $200 a day in volume, it's going to need to be revived to come back into play here. If it does, I mean, you're still looking at near a 10x gain to get back up to its all-time high here. So keep that in mind, man. I think a 10x gain. That's 3 zeros. Currently sitting on 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4 zeros. So it could almost 10x gain. It's got like a 7, 8x gain to get back up to the all-time highs there. Only thing that I would be skeptical about is that it doesn't make it. I mean, it's already lost so much steam. All right, let's see here. Let's LimeWire crypto. I remember LimeWire used to be a big thing on the internet. Yeah, Giovanni. LimeWire came out, and I'm pretty sure they are already on KuCoin. And I'm pretty sure that they came out shortly after the Pepe hype. I could be incorrect on that one. But yeah, they came out shortly after the Pepe hype. Dang. They have gone from $2 down to about 7-8 cents. I don't know if these guys are the creators of LimeWire or not. If they are, okay, great. I don't know if they're still trying to let you download music or what the deal is. But this is what I don't like, okay? You've only got a 4% circulating supply, 40 million out of the 1 billion total coins that you can have. So I mean, dude, if we've seen this large of a decrease, they could dilute the crap even further out of people who are holding right now, and this price could go down, drastically. So I don't like that. I don't like the fact that there's only 4% circulating, unless, of course, the other 96% are staked or something. But I don't like that circulating supply. Dang, I'm late. Jennifer, better late than never. Glad to have you in here. Hey, bro, this is a freak out break. That's with the news. Since we have CPI data, my father, Jerome Powell. My father, Jerome Powell, coming in, incoming speaking, and what's the scenario? Not financial advice. Let's see, because I don't know when the next Fed meeting is. If anybody, I'm going to try and find that out there real quick. But if anybody knows when the next Fed meeting is, let me know so I'm not wasting my time trying to find it on here. Fed interest rate decision. Oh, let's just see if we can see when the next release is in 15 days, July 26th. All right, so we do not have to wait. We don't have to worry about Jerome Powell for another 2 weeks. We got 2 weeks before we have to worry about your dad, Jerome Powell, there. In terms of, what was the other one you were talking about? All right, CPI. Let's see, do we have anything for CPI coming up? I don't know when the next CPI release is. Oh, okay, so CPI is coming out on Wednesday. Wednesday morning, we do have the inflation rate being released here in the United States. Now, excellent news is that consensus, this is very interesting to me, okay? I did not see that this consensus has already been dropped, but this would be a very large decline. If interest rates really do fall from 4%, or inflation rates, sorry, if inflation rates really do fall from 4% to 3.1%, we are going to be very close to that 2% target inflation rate. I would actually argue that I don't know if we see this big of a decrease, I don't know if we actually need 2 more interest rate hikes. I think Jerome Powell can just chill his horses for a little while and not continue to raise interest rates. I think that this would be phenomenal if we drop down to 3.1%. I do want everybody to know that 3.1% doesn't mean that prices are getting better. It means that prices aren't rising as fast. And it means that we're comparing to already increased prices. Unless we see deflation, we're not going to see prices ever get any better. So, the fact that we went through 9% plus inflation, if you did not start making 9% more money, you are in a worse situation than where you were when all of this inflation started taking place. And I believe that is for the vast majority of us. All right, 9% increase has not happened over here. I don't know if a 9% increase has happened over there, but we have been duped when it comes to paying more for goods and services and thinking that we're doing good now, that we're right back down to that 2%, the 2% inflation rate. So the fact that we are getting closer to that 2% is good news for the market, because the market can start to get a little bit more confident knowing that we're near the target. And also, dude, if we fall down all the way to 3.1, I'd be hard-pressed to see Jerome Powell increase interest rates again. I really would. I can listen and work at the same time, thankfully. Absolutely. Claire, read your Discord messages. Kenneth, I will. Right now? I'm going to read them right now. Where? Like DMs or on... I don't have any DMs from you. And the last one in the supporters chat is 775 Bro. I love that name, man. You're putting bro in your name. Very nice. Let's see. LimeWire gave my computer. Oh yeah, Tony D, man. It definitely did. It definitely did. LimeWire, FrostWire, Cashapp, or whatever it was. Yeah, dude, they were throwing. I never used Napster, but They were throwing viruses all over the place. I get paid July 26th. Maybe a buying day. Very well could be. We got CPI and PPI coming out. I did not know. I didn't see when PPI was being released. Dinner and Ken Bros. Let's make it happen. WBM token is on pre-sale. Is it WBM? WSM. Thought you said it was WSM. WSM is there. WBM. WB. Are you talking about a different one? I don't know, man. There's so many WBMs out there. I don't know which one it is. Let's see. Meet a Tony D. Something Aiden. Not trying to be negative, but Shibarium only benefits Bone. Don't see how it's going to benefit Shib. Shib, king. Shib is king, always. So, yeah, Anakin Skywalker. No, you are right, man. So, Shibarium is the main benefiter, or the main beneficiary of Shibarium is Bone. You are absolutely right with that. That's not being negative at all. That's just being objective. The main benefactor is Bone. Bone is the gas token. Bone is a necessity to use Shibarium, and therefore that is going to create massive demand for Bone. You are going to have to buy Bone if you want to use Shibarium. You don't have to ever touch Shiba Inu coin. The only benefit Shiba Inu coin gets from Shibarium is burns. So the question truly does become, how much Shib is Shibarium going to burn? And that is all going to depend on whether or not the base fee increases to use Shibarium. Right now, the base fee is so obscenely low. Well, I don't even know what that is as a percentage. No, I don't even know what that would be as a percentage. I don't even know what it is as a percentage, man. It's not even a fraction of a percent. You're going to need trillions of transactions to burn a single dollar worth of Shiba Inu coin at the current fee. So we need to see them increase. It's just way too low. Clipper, is it possible you can explain the previous Bitcoin drops from 31,000 and now? Much appreciated, bro. Love you. So PS5, I don't know if I can explain the reason behind the drops. So if you're looking at this chart right here, and my line, right? My line is at about 30,600 for resistance. We can slightly move that higher. I think every drop from this $31,000 mark is simply a reaction from technical traders. They're unwilling to break out. There's a barrier right here at 31,000. The more people think 31,000 is a profit-taking point than those that think it is a buy-in point. I mean, that is, it's not a good, it's not like an answer for why they think that, but it is an indicator that they do think that. So every time Bitcoin starts to break out of 30, every time it gets to the 31,000 mark, people begin to view it as expensive, and they start to sell off. They begin to take that profit. And I don't know if it needs a fundamental kick higher, if it needs some sort of news to drive it higher, or if it's simply going to just get a little bit of backing from a big buyer or excited buyers. But when they finally do, man, and it sustains a move higher, you're going to see a technical breakout to the upside. Just the same way people are viewing 31,000 as expensive now, if it breaks this level, they're going to begin to view 31,000 as cheap. And then the next level that gets expensive is 36,000. So it's all in people's minds right now. I believe, because of the technicality of it, because of the technical analysis of it, and not necessarily figuring a reason that comes out every time it reaches 31,000 that drops it back down, is that people are viewing it as expensive. Zipu! ZIPU. I don't know if I got ZPU right or not, but thank you very much for that super chat. Curious if you've ever heard about OHMI. If you would do an honest review, it would be awesome. So no, I don't think I have heard about OHMI, but we can absolutely check that out here and see where we are. I don't know if 100 million Inu is, I believe. Ah, man. So let me confirm, ZPoo, first that this is what you're looking at. Before I go on some sort of a huge tangent, let me confirm this is what you're looking at, and then we can bring it up on, like, we can try to bring it up on CoinGecko or Dex Tools or something else. But I have not heard about 100 million Inu, if that's what you're talking about. So let's wait for ZPoo to confirm or deny, and then we'll go from there. DMs. Kenneth, I don't have any DMs, man. It says I don't have any DMs right now. The latest DM I got is from Pat. Pat's the latest DM I got, man. Let's see. Landscaping pro tip. If you want to leave work early, tell your boss your boss your mower is out of gas. Milk the clock, baby. Milk the clock. Nice, Chris. Nice. Boss said you should have filled your mower up before you went out to work, man. Now you're going to have to stay late. Nobody wants that. Let's see. LimeWire. Now the only thing missing is Napster. Chris, you are Chicago Sox fan, not Chris. You are right on that one. Kenneth! Yes, man. Kenneth throwing 5 green names out in the chat right now. We have Alpha Kenny 1 grabbing a green name, Crypto Dreamer grabbing a green name, Rich is grabbing a green name, Lyman Dave grabbing a green name, and Taylor Com grabbing a green name. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, that is 5. Thank you very much, Kenneth, for the 5 green names. I don't know who's gray in this chat. Roulette wheel. Chicago Sox fan for life. How in the world are you guys still gray? I don't get it. Get a green name, man. What are you doing, Kenneth? Thank you very much, guys. If you did get a green name, please say thank you to Kenneth. If you did not get a green name, please say thank you to Kenneth, man. Kenneth, thank you very much for throwing those green names out there and making everybody in here a bro. Thanks, Kenneth. Lemon Lust knows what he's doing. Kenneth coming in hot, baby. Timmy, yes. Kenneth throwing that fist bump from Tony D. And Chris, of course, saying welcome 5 times. Appreciate all of you guys. ZPoo, man, is this the one you're talking about? I want to know if this is the one you're talking about. 100 million Inu. What do we got here on 100 million Inu? Alright, maximum chart. Dude, 100 million Inu has been out since the beginning of 2023. Actually had a very nice start to the year. Volume in the $300,000, $400,000 range. And since then, has completely dropped off. So an honest review of 100 million Inu seems that people, for some reason, began to give up in this area of late April, and they seem to be done. Now, good news, bad news. If you're trying to be optimistic, people do know about this coin. If it was doing $250,000 a day in volume, they absolutely know about it, and it's going to look very cheap to them. Only doing $30, $40 a day in volume right now, $20, $70 a day in volume there. It is going to look very cheap to them. Total market cap. Let's see where they put the total market cap on. I don't know where they put the total market cap on CoinGecko here. I rarely use CoinGecko. Whoa. Why did it go blank like that? I don't even know where the total market cap is. I don't even know where the total market cap is on CoinGecko here. But I know it's got to be very, very low. Okay? You can go total supply of 100 million times the 0.0006 to get your total market cap if you want. Let's see. Alright, total market cap's only about $60,000 at these prices. It's very low, man, and people do seem to have given up on it. So, I mean, it might do something if people get excited about it again. but over the last 3 months, they don't seem to be excited at all. Lemon Lust, Kenneth, thank you times 10. I love it, Lemon Lust. Will, if you like the Chicago Sox fan, you deserve the great name. Tim does not like the Chicago, what is it? It's the White Sox, right? Welcome, new green names. Tony D, man, thank you. Crypto Dreamer grabbing that green name and throwing a thank you out to Ken. Ken, man, finally somebody's in here and said, oh, Alpha Kenny 1 in here too. Very good, guys. We got a lot of people in here. The interesting thing is that the community is still there. Okay, very good. They relaunch. Okay, so Zipu, this is stuff that I did not know because I'm clearly not in the community. I have never actually heard of 100 million Inu. So what you're saying is the community is still there. My best guess at that point would be that the community is almost saturated. Okay, some people that maybe got in early, some of the guys that developed the coin or something, maybe they made some money on it, and the community is still very dedicated, but not necessarily buying. And increased volume and new money flowing in is imperative. So if the community sticks around, right, if that coin is not dead, and you guys get a little bit of marketing potential going during the next bull market, or because during a bull market people will buy anything. 100 million Inu might show up on people's radar as you get one good trending day, and you can have a huge influx of buyers. So that would be my main concern, is that the community does die out too if the hype and the excitement and the trades begin to, well, they have died out. So if the community dies out, I'd say you're done. It's going to be very difficult to find people to buy it if there's literally nobody in it. But you need that new money to flow in to get the price back up. I'm here. Let's get started. Let's do it, Moji, man. Yes. Show about Lunk, sir. So Rishab Jain. We could talk a lot about Lunk. You can be a little bit more specific. A lot of everything that's going on with Terra Luna Classic right now, you've got some people trying to hype the community up, thinking $100 is a possible price point. You've got some updates from Bilbo Baggins there, about the USTC repeg. Trying to portray the idea that the USTC repeg is not going to be easy, and not necessarily updating the community on work that has been done, but more of a theoretical type of perspective shift. Begin to think that this is not going to be easy. If you begin to think it's not going to be easy and that it's a multifaceted approach, well, maybe you'll pay us again next month. So we've got a perspective shift taking place from the quant team. What else we got? We've got plenty of proposals out there. Some of them are passing, some of them not passing. The bug program, the bug bounty program, that is currently passing. The global marketing team, for some reason, not passing, but I don't think it matters if it does or does not pass. Happy Caddy Crypto's wallet, that may have already... I don't know if that one passed or not, actually. I did not see that one this morning, so maybe it got rejected. There's some other proposals out there, too. Just be a little bit more specific. I can talk about it, man. I feel very, very up-to-date on what's going on in Terra Luna Classic. $300,000 into mutual fund should double in 10 years, according to Dave Ramsey. So, yes. Let me see. 10 years... Why does he say that? I don't even have to click on the calculator. I know why he says that. So the average rate of return for, and you don't even need $300,000 in a mutual fund. He might be taking into account the fees that you pay. So if you guys don't know about something called the Rule of 72, the Rule of 72 tells you how often or how quickly your money will double. And all you have to do, based on compounding interest, is divide the interest rate that you receive into 72. And therefore, you will see how quickly you will double your money. If you're getting 7% interest, or 7.2% interest to be more exact, you will double your money every 10 years, or every 10 periods. If you're getting 7% a year, 7% a year divided into 72 gives you your double. It's 10. Every 10 years, you're going to double your money. The average market return is about 7% on the S&P 500. The average mutual fund should hope, the average actively managed fund should hope to perform as well as the overall market. Let me say this. And I'm not trying to take Dave Ramsey on here, but I did watch his short on Dave Ramsey the other day, and it did irritate me a little bit, okay? Dave Ramsey has developed, and this guy's been bankrupt, right? Dave Ramsey has developed some sort of a superiority complex and this God complex. I do not like it, okay? You can go out there and invest in many different things. Somebody called up, and they were a little rude in the way they posed the question, so I'm sure it made Dave Ramsey a little bit more defensive. But they said, why do you push your viewers to actively manage mutual funds when they could just as easily invest in the overall market and perform better? They can perform better than an actively managed mutual fund. So the fact that you are giving this mutual fund money by investing in them, they are taking a huge cut. If you were to simply invest in the overall markets, overall S&P 500, for example, you're going to be performing better. But what Dave Ramsey was trying to state, and he got way too defensive and basically talking down on this kid, saying, oh, I don't care about your theoretical classroom numbers and all of this. What we found in the real world is that the vast majority of millionaires get there through their 401ks. I agree. Okay, 401ks are a huge, huge benefit, especially and really only if you have a company match. So please check out your 401k if you've got a company match. But all this kid was trying to say was actively managed mutual funds underperform the overall market, which is a true statement. But that all comes full circle to the fact that if you just invest into the S&P 500, you should expect to double your money every 10 years based on the average annual return of about 7%. So, roulette wheel is correct there. Investing $300,000 or any amount really into the overall market index, you are going to double about every 10 years. That's based on the rule of 72. That's not, and the averages, not necessarily Dave Ramsey, but Dave Ramsey does have a very loud voice, and a lot of people look to him for financial advice. So roulette wheel is correct on that. Giovanni, Clay, should I sell my Shib and load up on Bone before Shibarium comes out? Let me put it this way. Since Jennifer says that's a very good question, let me give you my perspective on that. Clearly, I can't tell you what to do. Here's where my mind goes with it. Here's your options, or at least the way that I see it playing out. I do believe, yes, that Bone is going to have a larger swing and be more volatile because of Shibarium. If Shibarium is released, I don't know what Bone's at right now. Bone was at like $1.30, $1.40 the other day. Bone is currently trading at $1.29, so it is down a little bit. Here's what I see happening. Okay, you do probably have a little bit better opportunity to make some money going into Shibarium's release on Bone. Bone may pop back up to that $2 mark, and $2 another 60 cents, another 50% gain in Bone to get back up to that $2 mark on Shibarium's release. I will say this: if you don't plan on taking your profit, if you don't plan on getting out, buying the rumor and selling the news, I'd say just stay in Shiba Inu coin. A 50% in Shiba Inu coin doesn't even get us back to 1,000 points per coin. The Shiba Inu coin can easily get that. But I don't think that Shibarium is necessarily going to be a catalyst for Shiba Inu coin the way that it is for Bone. So if you're trying to play the situation, I would guess that you see a larger increase in the percentage or in the price of Bone than you do Shiba Inu coin because of Shibarium's release. So short term, I do think that there might be more opportunity in Bone there. Longer term, okay, I would expect a pullback after Shibarium's release. So you can lose all that money very quickly. And you could easily go right back down from $2 down to 60 cents. So if you wait to get in, you're going to be losing a lot of money in Bone following the release of Shibarium, as opposed to staying in Shiba Inu coin. So if you're going to play the Shibarium release, play the Shibarium release. Don't lie to yourself and tell you that Bone's going to go up in perpetuity and it's never going to come back down. Play it disciplined, get in, get out, make some money, and then make your decision on whether or not you want to get back into Shiba Inu coin if you do decide to go that route. There is a sure way to make money, but required skill and hard work. Oh, my neighbor is building a huge house himself. Parts $125,000, but after it's finished, he can sell for $140,000. No, roulette wheel. I 100% agree with that, right? That is labor. It is tough. And I will say this. You have to be committed. You got to be very confident if you're going to do that. I restored this entire house. This entire house was just drenched in cat. I bought this house wet, okay? This house was wet when I bought it. And it has increased significantly in value because I was willing to put the work in as opposed to just going out and buying a brand new house or something. So 100% agree with Roulette Wheel there. His neighbor could absolutely make a lot of money if he's willing to put the work in. Skill, yes, but it does take a lot of confidence to do that too. All right, guys, it is past 5 o'clock. I'm going to get off here, get some videos ready for tonight, man. Please go out there, watch them twice, put them on a playlist. You guys know the views are low, all that good stuff. So make sure to click the like button on them tonight. Click the like button on the live stream on the way out if you haven't done so already. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do these shout-outs. And then we will be back with those videos. Authorize my own hydration on that one. Jennifer, enjoy your evening. Roulette Wheel, man. Enjoy it, Moji. See you later. Well, crap. No taking no more baby steps then. Moji, take all the baby steps you want, man. Roulette Wheel, Moji. See you later. Next level, Dark Bro. Next level, Moji. Lemon Lust, Kombu, Lemon Lust. Next level, Tony D. Later to you as well, man. Next level, enjoy your day. Tim, have a great evening. Next level, man. Moji. See you, Clay. See you, Chris. Enjoy your evening. Glad you're off work, dude. Thomas, enjoy it. DD214. Giovanni, Chris, members only stream 6 p.m. Oh, I don't even know if I can go on. Chris, enjoy your evening, man. Anakin Skywalker, more videos on Luke and Shib Clay, bro. I'm gonna give it my best, man. Johan, till the next time. Johan already knows what time it is. You guys want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you, PS5, have an awesome day.